name is William, and we're the Igarashi family. I work at American Honda's parts division. This weekend, we had the opportunity to borrow this Honda Odyssey and go on a weekend road trip.
Buckle up. Ready?
They're kind of close.
Yeah, let's separate them.
Taking this weekend road trip in this Odyssey was a pretty cool experience for us. We're always so busy with our day-to-day lives, and our weekends are filled usually with activities, that this opportunity gave us a chance to get away from the city.
Alrighty, you guys want to watch something?
Yeah.
I can adjust your Blu-ray video with my
Volume.
fingers here. More?
Yeah.
On the way here, we ran into some traffic, and I thought I had my foot just covering over the brake. That Honda sensing worked out awesome. All right, cruise control on, lane assist on, collision mitigation on.
I like it. I feel safe.
So when the sensors recognize that,
That you're in them.
the lanes are beaded lanes,
Uh-huh.
that's when it picks it up.
Then it can pick How do you like cabin talk?
Cabin Talk's awesome. If they're watching a video and totally engaged in that, like hit a button and still talk to them, and they'll say, "Who's talking?"
Hello.
Yes.
How's the movie?
Okay.
I love the cabin watch thing. That thing was awesome. You can spy on them. I can turn around. If I'm driving, I don't have to kind of look back.
Cheerios in the morning or whatever it may be, there's crumbs everywhere, right?
Everywhere.
You could
All
get
the
that
crevices.
vacuum to go all the way from the back of the car, all the way to the front seat. True believer in the Honda van. Going to the sculpture gallery was a really, really cool experience for us and the kids. To drive there was pretty cool too. You know, going the dirt parking lot, the car handled really well. Didn't bottom out or anything like that. So for the Odyssey, that was pretty cool. But taking this opportunity to break away from reality and drive a little bit farther away in the Odyssey was a perfect environment for us to take a family road trip.
I'm looking forward to more.